How much should you actually spend on a cordless shop vacuum? You've got cheap options that look tempting, but then the pricier models come with all sorts of promises. It's honestly a bit confusing, but today we're breaking it down so you can find the right one without wasting your money.
Product number 1, DeWalt 20V Handheld Vacuum. First up is the DeWalt 20V Handheld Vacuum. Priced at $163.91, this vacuum really caught my attention with its powerful performance and versatility. If you want a strong, portable vacuum that can tackle tough messes, this one's worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It boasts 46 cubic feet per minute of suction power, making it ideal for construction sites or home renovation projects where debris can pile up quickly. Plus, it's equipped with a HEPA filter, which means it efficiently traps fine dust particles, so you're not just recycling dust back into the air. With up to 214 minutes of runtime per charge, you can tackle big jobs without needing frequent recharges. And let's not forget the bright LED light that illuminates dark areas, perfect for those hard-to-see corners. Now, some people complained about the price. Here's the thing though, while it might feel a bit steep, the performance and durability you get make it a solid investment for long-term use. If you're a DIY enthusiast or professional, the features justify the cost. This is perfect for you if you need a high-performance vacuum for heavy-duty tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for something super budget-friendly, but if you want quality, it's definitely worth it.
Product number 2, Armorall AA255W Wet Dry Utility Vac. Next, let's talk about the Armorall AA255W Wet Dry Utility Vac. Coming in at just $81.93, this model is compact and surprisingly powerful for its size. If you're dealing with smaller messes and need something portable without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. What's great about this vacuum is its 2-peak HP motor, which gives it strong suction for wet and dry messes alike. Whether you've got spilled liquid or sawdust to clean up, it handles both effortlessly. It's also compact with a 2.5-gallon tank, making it easy to transport around your workshop or garage. Plus, it converts into a blower with a simple switch, which is a nifty feature for clearing leaves or larger debris. With over 4,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear this vacuum is a popular choice. However, some users mentioned that the hose can feel a bit short for larger areas, but if you're primarily using it in a small space, that's not really an issue. This is perfect if you need a budget-friendly option for small cleanups and want versatility. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty tasks, but for everyday messes, it's a great buy.
Product number 3, DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Shop Vac. Moving on to the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Shop Vac. Priced similarly at $163.91, this one is designed for both wet and dry cleanup. If you need a reliable vacuum that offers strong suction without the hassle of cords, take a closer look here. This model features a 2-gallon tank that provides ample capacity for most jobs, whether it's emptying a clogged sink or cleaning up liquid spills. The HEPA-rated filter captures 99.97% of particles at 0.3 microns, ensuring that fine dust is effectively trapped. The hose is flexible and crush-resistant, which means you can maneuver it easily around your workspace. Plus, the carry handle makes it perfect for transporting. With a solid warranty and over 1,000 sold recently, it's clearly a favorite among DIYers. But there are complaints about the battery not being included, which can be a hassle if you don't already own one. However, if you're investing in DeWalt tools, you likely already have compatible batteries. This is perfect for you if you want a well-rounded vacuum for various tasks. Skip this if you're looking for something that comes complete with a battery, but if you've got one, you're in for a treat.
Product number 4, DeWalt 20V Max Hand Vacuum. Priced at $142.29. It's a compact model that's designed for both wet and dry surfaces, making it super convenient for quick cleanups. If you're looking for something portable that still packs a punch, this could be the one for you. This model features a Gore HEPA filter that traps 99.97% of dust particles, alongside dual cleanup modes for different types of debris. The half-gallon tank is easy to empty, which is a nice touch for hassle-free maintenance. It also has a heavy-duty latch to keep everything secure while you work. Plus, the rubber hose is durable and flexible, allowing you to reach tight spots without a struggle. With 1,000 units sold recently, it shows that many trust this for their cleaning needs. However, some users pointed out that the tank size can feel a bit small for larger projects. But let's be real, if you're looking for a handheld vacuum, you're probably aware of the trade-offs in capacity. This is perfect for you if you want a portable vacuum for quick cleanups. Skip this if you're tackling bigger jobs that need a larger capacity. But for small messes, it's very effective.
Product number 5, Milwaukee 0880-20 Cordless Vacuum, priced at $163.85. This model stands out with its strong suction and compact design. If you want something powerful yet easy to store, keep this one in mind. This vacuum features a high-performance motor that effectively handles both wet and dry cleanups, catering to a variety of tasks. The stackable design with organized onboard storage is a huge plus, ensuring that all your attachments are easy to find and keep neatly contained. It also comes with a HEPA filter, ensuring that the air you breathe is cleaner while you work. It's a solid choice, with over 800 units sold, showing it's a trusted option. On the flip side, some users found it less effective for larger messes due to its size. But honestly, for a compact vacuum, it performs exceptionally well for everyday tasks. This is perfect for you if you value portability and organization. Skip this if you need a vacuum for heavy-duty projects, but for general use, it's a solid pick.
To wrap things up, we've got a strong lineup here. The DeWalt models offer great power and versatility, while the Armorall is perfect for budget-conscious buyers. The Milwaukee vacuum is a fantastic choice for organization and portability. Each of these vacuums has its strengths, so it really comes down to what you need most. Make sure to choose the one that fits your tasks best.